Hello guys, here I want to show you my new pullers. They are made by Toptul. They are 2-jaw gear pullers. This is the type sliding arm type pullers, two of them, bigger and smaller. I had a good chance to grab them for very good price here locally, and with no doubt I bought them, and I think for the price they have very good quality. These pullers are made in Taiwan. Now I will remove these pullers from the boxes and show you every detail about them. So my friends, here we are. Once again, I will show you closer the box. It shows us all the options the pullers offer us. This is the bigger one, 160 millimeter puller, and the second one is the smaller, of course. Here it is, my friends. This is 80 millimeter puller. Toptul also offers us another sizes, but as I already mentioned, I bought locally these two here for a very good price. They are also listed on eBay. You can check the part numbers and find your price. Usually the price diapason is from 50 to 70 euros for the bigger one, and under the 50 for the smaller one, as I remember correctly. So let's now see closer the bigger puller, which is made from the drop forged steel. This is not generic puller. This is made by Toptul, my friends, and this was important for me to choose the quality puller here. The jaws are opening and operating very smoothly. We have no any lube or oil here. The jaws can be adjusted. I mean that they have two screws, Allen screws with the nuts, and if you tighten the nuts, the jaws will be attached on the shaft very securely. It will be even difficult to move them on the shaft itself, so I prefer to stay them loosened here, not too tight, very strong. Here you can see how jaws are sliding to the main shaft. Enough heavy duty puller, enough quality here from the tool which is made in Taiwan and made by Toptul. And this puller is heavy, guys. It weighs about 3 kilos or more. Another option which this puller offers us is to change the jaws, and in this situation this puller offers us to work in the different situations. You can see the jaws are changed here. I attached them in the different way to the shaft, and that's why the result was reached. Now a little bit closer look to the jaws. Here you can see they are machined very well. They are made with enough quality. The markings on the jaws and the adjustable attachment, as I already mentioned, my friends. Here we have two jaws. This is the second one, and everything is the same with this guy. If you tighten these nuts, it will secure the jaws attaching element to the shaft, and it will very difficult to move the jaw on the sliding arm itself. And then we have the threaded rod here, the main shaft, which is made from the drop forged steel. Here you can see, as I remember, this is 70 millimeter in diameter, this bolt head. Also the bottom option, and here is how it is tightened and loosened to the sliding arm. Very smooth operation, and in overall I like very much this puller, which is made by Toptul, guys. Toptul is my choice when I have to buy some tools which are made in Taiwan. This is pure Taiwanese tool maker, and I respect it very much. Toptul offers us very good quality. Of course, on eBay you can check and find the coolers which are made by Kuko Germany or even by Nexus Germany, but they cost very expensive. For example, Kuko is the very high-end brand, but I have in my wish list some of the Nexus coolers, and I will buy them at the end of this month and show you my thoughts about them as well. Both are German companies. So this was the big puller. Now let's move forward and see how the smaller one looks. And to be honest, the story in overall is the same with the smallest one here. The look, feel, and the structure of the smaller puller is the same that it was on the bigger one. Here you can see they are very like to each other, but this puller is not as heavy duty as the bigger one, and this can be used with the gentle jobs where not very much force is needed, my friends. Otherwise, the movement of the jaws are very smooth. Here also, Toptul logo and the part number are lasered on the sliding arm itself. And here, I already mentioned that the size of the puller is small, but this puller has also some weight in it. It speaks and shows us that this is also the quality item. These are not the tools which you will use on all jobs every day, but sometimes there are situations when you must use them. You must make some custom pullers, and the parts which are here with these pullers will allow you to do the job very good and in the right way. So let's attach now the jaws to the sliding arm. Here you can see I replaced the jaws, and I have got the different type of the puller. I mean the puller which is suitable for the different jaws, inner and outer gears, for removing and other parts. These pullers are also very good to remove some bushings from the control arms, guys. That's why I have bought them, and in overall I am very happy with the quality. So what is the conclusion? If you will lucky and obtain these both pullers for the price under 100 euros, this is a real bargain, especially if they are new, and I recommend them to buy. This is not a promotion. I have paid my money for these pullers, and I like them very much. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, for supporting the channel, and I will catch you in the next episodes. So big thanks once again, and goodbye.